Good Monday morning. Well, yesterday, Sunday morning, I tried to make Corning's recipe of heavenly eggs. The original recipe is made in a P41B saucepan, the square little one, and I don't have one. I don't have a P41. So I tried to make it in a casserette, and I made a video and I posted it and I took it down. And I thought we would try it again. I'm going to tweak that recipe just a little bit. It's a really simple recipe. Tomatoes, cheese, eggs, little milk and butter, breadcrumbs. They say breadcrumbs, we're going to use panko. Panko. So we're going to do it a little differently. We're going to toast the breadcrumbs first instead of slices of tomato. I chopped it up. What I want to do is cook it in the Corningware minuet. So I'll put the original recipe down below. So Corningware had this recipe, a Corning's cookbook, 1979. Do it again. I'm doing it again. Why? Why not? Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. New plan. We're going to make croutons. Ooh. Instead of using the milk and butter, we're going to take some Parmesan cheese and melt that into some milk or half and half. I haven't decided. And we'll pour that over the croutons. Souped up heavenly eggs. That's what we're doing. Let's make some croutons. Heavenly eggs. Should we check the yolk? Oh yeah. Oh, look. Oh, we have yolk. Beautiful croutons. Let's turn it around. This is going to be very hot. Oh, that's yummy. Let's get a crouton. That's hard. I don't want to put it in my mouth. Here we go, crouton. Buttery crouton. Cheddar cheese. Oh, that's so much better than the one I did yesterday. That's steaming. That is steaming hot. You know what I'm going to say? Thanks for watching.